Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open your browser, then tap here, go to the history, then tap clear browsing data, and here you have to select a time period for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the beginning of time. And then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files. And then you just tap clear data, and the history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.